Hello everyone, my name is Dan Beersdorf. I'm an attorney and I practice in the area of eminent domain, which is sometimes known as condemnation. By viewing this video today, I presume that you have a certain basic understanding about eminent domain, that you know that it involves the right or the power of government to take property from private owners and convert it to a public use. We've all become accustomed, I guess, if you will, with government playing a bigger and bigger role in our everyday lives. And to some degree, what we've seen today is kind of was kind of foretold by George Orwell in his famous classic 1984 when he said, "Big Brother is watching." In today's day, it's hard to be doing anything without having government being around us one way or another, but by and large, normally, government doesn't become directly involved in our lives unless we invite government in. That invitation might be needing a new driver's license, or it might be the requirement to file a tax return and pay taxes because we've chosen to earn a living. Every now and then, though, of course, government will force its way into our lives, but that only occurs normally when we do something wrong. For instance, we get a traffic ticket, or maybe something worse. Eminent domain really presents an exception to all those rules, because under eminent domain, you can be minding your own business, you can not be bothering anybody, and in fact, you can be carrying on your life without seeking any intervention by government at all. Yet the government will come along, enter your life, and forcefully take your property away from you and convert it to a public use. This often creates trauma for you and becomes a very dramatic consequence in the life that you will continue to lead. So eminent domain is very different from the relationship that we normally expect to have with government, and that's why it is such a unique area of the law. In a kind of a nod to George Orwell, we have then entitled this series of videos that addresses eminent domain as "Be Vigilant About Eminent Domain. Big Brother May Not Be Your Friend."